Alright, so now we're on an Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse. Stock, it has 120 pound-feet of torque. It makes powered by the Thunderstroke 116, but the gentleman told me this is a Stage 2 kit, which has the upgraded air intake, fueling, and cams, and tune as well. So, let's fire up. Okay. Oh my god, it's loping. I like it. I like it. This is awesome. Alright, yes sir. Oh, the clutch grabs. I'm gonna walk this one. Yeah, they don't care about their safety. The only thing I'm not liking right now is the handlebars. I'm a little ouch. Yeah, same. Oh my god, dude. It wants to go. It jerked in second gear because it was... Oh, this is nice. Yeah. Dude, her stomach was hanging out too, and it's like, why?
I think my stock just dropped.
If this was properly tuned, it wouldn't have this check engine light. But it's got 13,000 on the odometer, so I'm wondering if they got it from like someone trading it in, or if they just did it as a show bike. Oh, I like the sound of it. Yeah, your handlebars look just kind of like mine, man. Like really far forward, right? Oh, ain't that what the bike life's all about? 8 fingers. Oh, dude, it snaps as soon as. Ooh, I'm experiencing Turk. Jesus. Bro, I didn't even like snap the throttle or nothing, rolled into it and it went. And it sounds so good on the DXL. I heard yours. Alright. Like, this thing does not like going slow in a turn. And it has cruise control. Let's see. Yeah. This thing's nice. How's the suspension on that? Yeah. Let's see. I like the color of these. Dark gray. Very, very cruiser-like of you. Oh yeah. God damn it. Very, very cruiser. Let's see. Yeah. God damn it. So yeah, I like it though. This is pretty comfy. You know, it's got the it's got a. Can you see the spring on the back? It's got an exposed shocker spring. Okay, so it does not have a Sportster style chassis. Well, suspension setup. I know, like with Harley, whenever they have their suspension on their Sportsters, they have the exposed shock and spring setup, and that's how you know it's going to be a rough ride. Kill your tail end. This man is laying back. Can't blame him. Cannot blame him. Oh, there's something in the road. He hit a button again. God damn it. Alright, well, until we get reconnected. Alright, so this bike right here, even though it's got the check engine light, completely ignore it. It snaps and it pulls good. Like, I know it didn't seem like I was catching John where he took off, but I was trying to make sure he had plenty of room and I had plenty of room. See, that's how you properly do, you know, hits. If you ain't trying to run it, you give each other space. That way you can just open it up and enjoy it. And it'll go, man. The gentleman said it makes about 20% more what it makes stock, so I don't know the horsepower figure. And I'm really bad at math, so I can't tell you 20% of 120. However, there's no, it's probably making, I'd say about 135, 140 pound-feet of torque, maybe. And that's not bad. What I don't like right now is this air intake. You know, I can't properly rest my legs, you know, normally. But it's not hot. It's not a hot piece, so it's not burning. So that's good. Plus I have jeans on, so, you know, you ride with shorts, maybe it's a little bit different. Yeah, this bike is nice. I see why people upgrade their motors on these V-twins. The response to the torque is a lot better. It snaps it and it goes. And this is comfy. You know, I get the cruiser life. I love sport bikes. Hey, John. I think every time you shrug your left shoulder, you're hitting the button. I think that's what's it. Oh. Okay, well that makes sense. Jazz. Okay. Well, I'm stuck behind slow people again. I'll catch up, don't worry. I really need a new Cena. Whee! Red thing. Chop, 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 chop. Gay, gay, gay. Gay, 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 gay. Okay. Well, like you told her. You told her. So. It is what it is. Oh. I'm gonna harass this Tesla. Because you know what? You can't have no noise. The hell with your electric. I'd prefer a combustion engine any day. You know what? I'd almost prefer a steam engine over that shit. Oh no, I pissed him off. What's he gonna do? Stealthily kill me? Alright. God damn. Oh, whenever you shift it, it snaps you back. Yeah, I'm down for Culver's. I like ice cream. I mean, I can do real food and ice cream. Fair, fair. Nah, we'll go to Culver's. We can get burgers. Get some food without breaking the bank like you would at Five Guys. What can you get at Five Guys for $5? The fuck out. You like to hear my wallet scream in pain, don't you? I feel you. She might. Or she might just wise up and go shopping. Oh. I mean, she can just hang out for a bit. I would have brought Stacy, but she was tired. Had I known Jasmine would have been coming out here with you, I would have asked her. That's fair. Good point, good point. Stacy's sleeping. Alright. Let's see here. Do we do a hit here or do we wait? Alright, we got a fight coming up behind us, but what do you want to do, 40? Alright. Let's see. Get down to 40. Damn. This thing does, I don't know, second gear is going, I'm gonna be in third. Alright, let me, 1, 2, 3, go! It's a bit moves! Dude, you gotta ride this. It's different. Riding a cammed bike. Holy shit. Oh man. This one won it for me today. I don't think I'll ride anything better. Out of just like pure fun for the day. Out of pure fun, I think this one wins it for me. But like suspension wise, it's definitely gonna be the Chieftain I rode earlier. Oh yeah. Nah, your arms are way too outstretched for that. I can definitely tell I ain't rode him forever, man. Like good riding days, because my fingers are doing that numbing shit again. This man got a mellow yellow on his damn Honda. Oh, he got a mellow yellow on his Honda. A drink. He got a cup holder. Oh, he wanted them boys. Yee yee! Devil's advocate. I'm a dick. What can I say? Ah, dude, I should have ran the FTR. You know what? I'll get the FTR next. You get this. I wonder if the torque percent increased. Probably because of the gearing. I think I pissed off this dude. FTR on my right. Alright, I'll pull over and wait for you. It does not have auto canceling. Damn. Damn. That's all I can say, man. Damn. Ah, shit, yeah. It's comfy out. Is that your mesh jacket? Still gets hot. Right. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Alright, guys, I'll pick it up here. I might be able to get one more video. I gotta check the GoPro battery. But sorry I didn't talk too much on it. All I can say about this bike with the upgraded kit is damn. Damn. It's very fun. I'll see you guys here in a bit.